The Great AI Thirst, the real cost of your prompts, the hot secret. Hey everyone, and welcome to the segment where we pull back the curtain on tech magic. Today, we're talking about AI. You know, ChatGPT, Sora, all the cool tools that make perfect videos of cats wearing Viking helmets.
It feels magical, but there's a problem, a very, very hot problem.
Exactly, because big tech has a secret. AI is not magic. It's just a genius teenager doing 10 years of homework in 1 minute, and it is burning up.
And to keep this genius from melting down, we have to build giant cold buildings called data centers. The cost of running those centers is about to hit your water bill and your power grid. This is the great AI thirst.
Scene 1. The AI oven and your shower water. Let's start with the funniest, most immediate problem. Water. Forget the digital world for a second. Think of your AI as a giant oven, the size of 5 football fields. To cool that oven, you need constant industrial-scale air conditioning.
And that cooling primarily requires millions of gallons of water per facility every day. It's cycled through cooling towers where it evaporates as steam, meaning it's gone forever from the local supply.
So when a giant tech company moves into a town, they aren't just taking up space, they're taking up water at the rate of a small city. This means your simple, free AI prompt is now directly competing with your daily chores.
Think about this. You're in a water-stressed area. You wake up, stumble to the kitchen for your morning brew, and the faucet only manages a pathetic drip, drip, drip. Why? Because your AI-generated video of a dog wearing sunglasses last night just got priority.
No water, no coffee. No coffee, no functioning human. The AI has doomed us. Or what about the dirty dish dilemma? Your sink is piled high with dishes, but the water is being diverted because the data center is making sure the AI can tell the difference between a real duck and a fake duck in 8K. Digital cleanliness, but actual dirtiness.
The satirical truth is that a powerful trillion-dollar industry is drawing water from municipal supplies to calculate the trajectory of a digital spaceship, while you might be sacrificing your morning shower.
I'm losing my flawless selfie look because the AI needs to be cool enough to generate hyper-realistic squirrels playing the banjo. This is the trade-off we're making for the cost of free.
Scene 2. The energy monster and the lights-out joke. If the water issue is a local drought, the energy issue is a full-blown global power surge. This is where the scale of AI really hits home.
When you use a normal search engine, it's like flicking a light switch once. But asking a generative AI tool to create a complex scene is like leaving that light switch on for a week straight.
The math is clear. Generative AI requires 5 to 50 times more electricity than traditional computing. It's not just retrieving data, it's creating an entire new reality from scratch, writing, filming, and drawing all at once.
And because of this insane demand, utility companies in the US are panicking. They're being forced to propose building new traditional power plants, often running on fossil fuels like natural gas, because our renewable sources can't keep up with the constant, massive needs of AI data centers.
Here is the punchline, the biggest joke of all. AI is the most powerful tool ever invented to help combat climate change, yet its current energy consumption is forcing us to build more fossil fuel infrastructure, all because we want better, faster, and more trivial AI content.
We are fueling the past just to generate the future. What happens during a brownout? You're trying to watch your favorite streaming show, but the grid prioritizes the server farm that's generating a convincing video of a penguin surfing. Your entertainment versus the penguin's digital wave, the penguin always wins.
The consumption is so huge that the AI sector alone could soon consume more electricity than many entire industrialized countries. The power struggle is real. It's between your home appliances and the AI's need for unlimited digital juice.
Scene 3. The simple takeaway. Using the AI versus being used by the AI.
The core of the problem is the cost of free. Tools like Sora 2 are free because the users are paying the cost in two ways, with their data and with their resources.
It's the ultimate barter system. I give the AI a silly idea for a video and it gives me a perfectly rendered clip, but I pay for it by contributing to the environmental bill and training the machine for free.
We need a change in mindset. The AI revolution is amazing, but we have to stop treating the computational power as an infinite resource. It is a finite, expensive utility.
So, here's our simple, fun solution. We introduce the "Is it worth a cup of water" test. Before you submit a prompt for a silly, throwaway joke, pause and ask yourself, is this joke funny enough to use up a measurable amount of my town's water supply?
And remember the necessity versus noise check. Use AI for tasks that truly add value, for work, for learning, or for a unique project. Don't use it just to create digital noise that adds to the environmental burden without adding real benefit to your life.
We, the users, have the power to influence the appetite of this industrial giant. We can make AI smarter and leaner.
The AI revolution is spectacular, but we must stop treating it as a consequence-free experience.
The video god is powerful, and it's thirsty. So next time you're about to ask for that perfect, hyper-realistic clip, just be mindful.
Let us know in the comments, what's the most frivolous thing you've asked an AI to generate? Do you think the convenience is worth the environmental cost?
If this breakdown opened your eyes to the real bill behind the free tools, please hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech deep dives. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.